I am your path to success. You should make me your friend. You should tie me to your ankle and quiet down the noise that gets you carried away at the simple sniff of Lidila Pula. I know it is easier said than done when you've gone through life spending money like its value isn't heavier than its paper currency. You should consider my worth and take an oath of discipline like a prayer. Then maybe we will meet success at the altar and you can finally say, I did. I laid flat on my stomach and accounted for every single tablet that represented the sweat of my brow. Hi, my name is Budget, and I am the thing in your strong coffee. You must begin to accept that you need me. Perhaps you stop treating me like the best parts of me have slipped down my mother's thigh. Your tendency to shut me out is an invitation of chaos into your very own pocket. Make no mistake, men have been thrown into the deep dark holes of financial trouble for defying me. Many of you experience money like a spill of white wine on a black dress without a trail. It comes in, but you can only view it once.